Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to copy the file in Node.js. That means I'm having a file named first.txt. I want to copy the content which is present inside this file into another file, right? So the content written here is that they subscribe the channel and hit the like button. This is the content of the first.txt file. I want to copy it into another file. So for that purpose, we use the file system module of the Node.js. But before starting, make sure that you have the spec.json file inside of your in your project, right? So just if you don't have this, in that particular case you need to write npm init here and press enter. Fine. Now let's come to the main part. We first need to import the file system. For that we write const fs equals to require bracket. Inside this we write fs. What is this fs? Fs denote the file system, and with the help of require method we are importing it fs module inside this particular fs variable, right? Now for the copying of file we use the copy file method, that is fs dot copy file. You can see with the help of this particular method we copy the file, right? Then we put a bracket here. At first we write the source file name. That means I want to copy the content of this first.txt file, right? So this is the what this is the source file. So we write the first.txt, the source file name, and then afterwards we put a comma and we write the destination file name, right? So that is destination.txt. Since destination file is not present here, okay, that's what we are going to learn, that in case if the destination or the file in which the data is going to be copied, if it is not present, in that particular case this copy file method will create a new file named whatever the name you have given, right, you have mentioned. Now after that we put a comma and we write the callback function, that is function bracket err. After that we put a bracket here and we write a small logic, that is if there is an error, in that particular case you write console.log bracket err to debug the error. But for debugging error we write console.error rather than using console.log, right? And else we write copied, sorry, inside the console.log, right? Inside the console.log we write copied. I want this to print in my terminal in case the file get copied, right? So this is what we have written as a part of our code, right? So let's see that whether it is working or not. So let me save it. Right now I'm going to do what, just write node. Since it is a node project, that's why we have written node, and we write the name of the main file inside of which our code is written, that is script.js, and then press enter. You can see I'm having copied here in the terminal, and a new file named destination.txt that we had given here also, right, got created, and inside of it you can see the content got copied. Subscribe the channel and hit the like button, that you should if you haven't yet, right? So yeah, first.txt file got inside that destination.txt, right? In case any file is already present, that is second.txt, right, and I want to copy the file to this particular position or the location, you just need to write second.txt, right? Just save it and press enter. You can see now inside the second.txt the content got copied, right? So this is how we do it, the use of copy file method, right? And thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.